Your brain is not trying to help you succeed. It's trying to keep you alive. And those are two very different things. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your brain fights you every time you try to change, and more importantly, how to stop it. Here's the problem. Your brain has one job: survival. Not success, not growth, survival. So every time you try to wake up early, eat better, work harder, build something, your brain sees that as a threat because change is unknown, and unknown means danger. This is why you set the alarm and turn it off. This is why you start the diet and quit by Thursday. This is why you know exactly what you need to do and still don't do it. You're not weak, your brain is just doing its job, the wrong job for the life you're trying to build. Here's where it gets interesting, and this changes everything. There was a study done on people trying to build new habits. The ones who failed had one thing in common: they were relying on motivation. The ones who succeeded had something completely different. They had triggers, small cues that told their brain, this is safe, this is familiar, do this. Because here's what your brain actually responds to: not inspiration, not willpower, repetition. Pattern, familiarity. Your brain loves what it knows. So the trick isn't to fight your brain, it's to trick it into thinking the new behavior is the old behavior. Here's how you do it. You attach the new habit to something you already do. Want to read more? Read one page right after you brush your teeth. Want to work out? Put your shoes on right after you wake up. Just the shoes. That's it. Your brain sees the familiar trigger and follows without resistance. This is called habit stacking, and it works because you're not asking your brain to do something new. You're asking it to follow a pattern it already knows. The second thing, make it smaller than you think. Your brain resists big change. It doesn't resist tiny change. So make the first step so small it's embarrassing. One push-up, one sentence, 1 minute. Then let momentum do the rest. Here's the truth nobody says out loud. Your brain will never be fully on your side. It will always prefer comfort, always prefer familiar, always choose the path of least resistance. But now you know how it works, and knowing how something works means you can work around it. You don't need more motivation, you need better triggers, smaller steps, and patience with a brain that's just trying to protect you from a danger that doesn't exist anymore. Start with one trigger today, just one. Stack it onto something you already do. That's it. And if this made something click, subscribe to Brain Drift. We go deeper every time.